Hello, dear friend, and welcome to Tapcoinbot Mine Cards update for beginners. All right, so this section, I want to use it to educate you. Perhaps you're a beginner with Tapcoinbot and you are still having issues with the mine cards. You don't know what they are about for, except for maybe you've seen the video where we use them to unlock the daily bounty. Well, apart from that, there are other uses or use cases for the mine card. So in this video, I want to show you and teach you how to use these things and how to go around them, because there are some things you might see and you may want to get confused, and I don't want you to be confused. That's why I'm doing this video. And so if this is your first time of stopping by here, I want to say a very big thank you to you and also extend my virtual hugs to you. Then go ahead and show some love by hitting the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that as soon as I drop the next very important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. All right, that out of the way, let's get down to the assignment of the day quickly. Now, the mine cards here, you see they are being categorized into three. You have the terms and jargon, then you have the platforms, and then you have the blockchain. Okay, so now these cards, first off, what these cards help do for you is that if you look at here your profit per hour, you need to pay attention to that profit per hour and then the coin balances. Now, if you are on Hamster Combat, at least Hamster Combat has given a clue, and I want to believe also that because many of these, listen, Hamster Combat actually launched and became popular as a result of the success of Notcoin. And you know that Notcoin is also a Telegram coin, and now a lot of Telegram bots are now launching. The truth of the matter is that in the coming days, many more are still going to be launched. Many more Telegram bots are going to be launched, GameFi bots rather. But the thing is that out of this many, just a few are going to be a success. Very few will be a success. Out of these many launches of Telegram bots for gaming on the Web 3.0, many will be a failure. I beg, in fact, I want this assertion I'm making, I want it to be wrong. You know why? Because I'm devoting my time into this, and I'm giving a lot of time to many of these Telegram bots and trying to explore them for two major reasons. One, I want to be able to show my subscribers, my viewers, my followers opportunities they can actually explore with their smartphones with access to the blockchain and make money from blockchain, because we've been on this blockchain journey for several years now, since 2016. Yes, okay, and people need to make money with this. I, for one, the very first airdrop I received FOC was in 2019, and it was stellar. And then the second one was stacks. And all of these, I got them without knowing that I was going to get them, because I was just on blockchain.com and I did verification of accounts. No, blockchain didn't ask me to verify my account. It was a different program I was running when I needed to get my money out, and the company required that I must verify my blockchain wallet. So I did that verification, and from there, the account qualified for airdrop, and I saw the first $25 worth of airdrop, and then next time was 100 stacks. Anyway, let's get back to this main task here. So all of these, many of them are now happening. Airdrops are happening. Airdrops are real. Airdrops are real. Listen, the airdrops are real. Once you do what they say you should do, you will receive the token, the airdrops. Okay, don't bother yourself about where they get the money from, because I know many are afraid, will they become scam? Many will fail, not because they intended to become scams, but because perhaps the project the developers or promoters, for one reason or the other, may make one or two mistakes. It could be a result of compliance or whatever reason, but many will fail. Okay, and some also will come to exploit. Some will come to exploit because today Hamster Combat has actually shown them a way. All right, Hamster Combat is the largest YouTube channel today, largest on X, largest on Instagram, largest everywhere, largest on Telegram, and all of these are money for Hamster Combat. And somebody may be make the mistake of thinking that it's from these earnings they are making here and there that they will pay you. No, it's not from there. There's a separate video that where we're explaining where the money Hamster Combat will pay the millions of users from, and likewise other programs. Okay, so now back to the main thing here. So Hamster Combat showed the way. See, as I digress, but at least I believe that you've got some useful information from what I just from my digression. Then let's come back in. Your profit per hour. I said it was Hamster Combat that began to tell us that hey, they are prioritizing profit per hour over coin balances. All right, in the airdrops distribution, and I believe that others will also follow suit. So these cards, these mine cards, all right, are helping also to increase or boost your profit per hour. Let's say, for example, now let me just demonstrate one so you see why you must always come here. So, and then I'll now show you the things, the challenges you may encounter and how to fix them. So currently we have 14,006K, 1406K in 14,006. All right. So, and let me take this. What's the value here? 80. So let's see, 80 plus 80. So it will now increase 6 to 14, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Now look at that. You can see it's now 14,014K. 14 and 14K. Then the 23 will now make that become 37. So 14,037. You can see, okay, 16. Okay, 16. Okay, 142. Yeah, 16. All right. Okay, so you go up there. Let's look at this. 20 and 29, so that will just make it 8 or 9. Let's check. It will be 9 now. Okay, I've increased this already, so I think there's something I've done. Okay, so you can see that it's increasing as I'm buying the cards. So look at this. So let me just buy and buy and buy. But now look at this one now. So you may encounter this challenge here. Look at this. For me to unlock the blockchain, DOT blockchain, there's something that's required. Check at the base here. You see LVLO. It means that I need to upgrade the card titled 51% attack to level 9. So I need to look for that card titled 51% attack and upgrade it to level 9. Where can I find it? Then we'll just have to search and search and search. So 51% attack. Let's just see whether I can find it here first before I go to another section. Okay, it's not here. All right, so next let me collect this, then we'll still go on. Okay, so now let's go to platforms and check 51% attack. And because not many cards have been unlocked, it's possible you go to that one and there will be another card you need to unlock that one to upgrade to unlock that one. So but let's just keep on searching. Let's go to terms and jargon, and then we scroll up. So let's be patient with this video so that you will learn everything you need to learn and go ahead and begin to unlock your cards. And okay, see 51% account. Like I was just saying, that it's possible you may meet the card and find out that there's another card you need to upgrade for you to be able to unlock it. And 51% account happens to now be one of those cards. Now you can see it's required that you upgrade POW, that's proof of work, to level 10, LVL 10. So proof of work, where is that? So proof of work is here. Proof of work is here. Here, POW. This is it. So what level was that? It was at level 6. So now level 7. So take it to level 8. Next to level 9. And then to level 10. Okay, great. So you can now go to look for 51% attack rather, and we have to take 51% attack to level 20, I guess. So let's get the first level first, and now let's go back to that and confirm what level we have to take 51% attack. We'll take it to level 9, right? Okay, so I go back, it's to level 9, not level 20. So I scroll down, 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 down. Okay, so take it to level 9, it's on level 1 now. So level 2, go again, level 3, again, level 4. Okay, okay, now let's take it to 5, take it to 6, and to 7, and to 8, and finally to level 9. Then we are good with that. So DOT is open now. You can see it's open now. So to level 9, I took it to level 9. Okay, let's check again. Maybe it's not up to level 9. Let's go back. 51% attack. 51% attack. It's at level 9 already now. So what is it saying? So, well, just upgraded 1% more. So let's go back. And 51% attack, level 9. So the system needs to update. So I think it's a challenge with the system here. It has to update. Maybe I'll just do one thing. Let me tap. Maybe by tapping for a while, I will be able to. It will. He said will correct a bit. Then we can go back and do that. So now tapping. Let me now seize this opportunity to talk about tapping. You know, when you start with this, you start at +1, and it can be equivalent tapping 1 to clear 1 tap, because I think you are given 1,000 energy refill at that initial stage. Okay, so and based on that, it's like the memory was really locked. The memory. So there are some of them that their memories are not strong. Okay, but the two I know that the memories are very powerful are like Hamster Combat and Gems. Okay, so now I use multiple fingers to tap. That's why I can clear up whatever energy is gathered here in quality time. In fact, for Hamster Combat, I exhaust 11,005 in less than a minute. So that's done now. So let's go back here and scroll down to DOT. You can see still the same thing is still here. And oh, come on, come on, come on. All right, let's go back to this 51% attack, except I'm not getting, there's something I'm missing. We'll get to find that, and that's it. So I wonder why it's still not responding, but it doesn't hurt if I take it to even level 20 and beat all that. But the level to take it to is level 9. Oh, I'm not having sufficient balance. Whoa, I don't have enough balances again. So there's a challenge right now. So let me go back and see 61. Okay, that one is now 600. So, and I don't know what was going with this. So it's not opening for me, despite the fact that I have already fulfilled that condition. And well, I can go ahead and do other things, unlock other cards. Let's unlock this. So if that happens, you just take a break from it. Maybe by the time I come back, it's going to unlock eventually. See it, eventually it has unlocked now. It's like the memory has now corrected. It has corrected. Look at it. Finally, it has corrected. Okay, Polkadot. You can see it has corrected now. So I think it was just the memory that is low. So just in case you encounter a similar challenge, don't panic, just relax and wait for it. It will correct. So go ahead and do other things, and then you be good. Then another place you need to check. So this is about your mining card. So if we now go back and check our profit, I can see has increased to 16.87 from 14 point, right? So we can still look for more cards. Like now, if you look at this now, you see that you can see that from what we have here, it's now 17,000. We really depleted that, but then we have also built up our profits per hour. Okay, which is very important. All right, so boost is where you, after you exhaust your energy, you can actually refill it. It's done 3 times a day. Then turbo I'm going to do another unique video, but the video I did earlier today when I was unlocking the daily bounty, I told you how to quickly make use of this. If not, you can use up all three without even taking maximum advantage of the rocket, of the booster, the turbo, right? But then another video will explain that. Okay, so finally, let me just clean up this and I'll call it a day for this video. All right, thank you for your time, and I believe that you have learned a thing or two about um the mine cards, and what they are for. All right, how to use them and how to make the most of them. If you have got value from this video, go ahead and smash the like button and give it a thumbs up, and also share it with your friends so that they can also know what to do. And should, in case you are yet to start tapping with Tapcoinsbot, just check in the description box. There's a link there you can actually follow to begin to tap your way to quality airdrops from Tapcoinsbot. Thank you and God bless you.